Hello, my name is Nick Jordan with Diamond Sharpening. I'm going to show you a video about putting blades on a grit wheel. This is just a demonstration. It's really not for training purposes, but if you have any questions, you can ask. Alright, let's go down to the table. I sharpen almost any blade that could be taken apart. Large cattle blades, these blades, 501 blades, salon shears, barber shears, barber blades, MLs, masters, outliners, all of it. Just send it on today and I'll take care of it. This wheel has my diamond wheel shape. It's a Nebraska machine. So this is my grit wheel with the same shape as my diamond wheel. I usually use this for rusted blades, people that don't oil. But let's get to work. So it's clean. I gotta reapply the grit. Put a thin layer of oil and a little bit of grit. Okay, looks good. Use my trusty little magnet here. So I made this and I love it. I made them for 20 years for myself. What I do is use little bitty magnets in there, so it's really strong. Like, it's really strong, and it doesn't magnetize the blade as much because it's not a big, large magnet. So the gravitational field is less of a charge. But yeah, so it holds really good. Anyway, let's get to work. It's gonna be a little noisy. Beautiful. Thank you for this wonderful adventure. Mission successful.